Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn Spanish with Norma. Today you're going to learn how to conjugate Spanish regular verbs in the past tense. La conjugación de los verbos regulares en el tiempo pasado. Spanish has two types of past tenses, the preterite and imperfect. In this lesson, we'll focus on the preterite conjugations and review the imperfect in another video. In Spanish, preterite tense conjugation is important for describing situations and events that have already happened. On the left side, you can see the Spanish subject pronouns. If you are not familiar with them yet, I recommend you to watch my video about this topic. You'll find the link in the description box. In Spanish, there are three categories of verbs and one group of Spanish regular verbs end in AR. In my previous video, we saw how to conjugate the Spanish regular verbs in the present tense. Well, past tense conjugation works exactly like present tense conjugation did, just with different endings. And these are the endings we must use to conjugate these verbs in the preterite tense. Notice that each ending must agree with its corresponding subject pronoun. This is important because the ending indicates who is performing the action of the verb. Let's conjugate the verb to speak in Spanish. Hablar. The infinitive is the base form of the verb, such as to speak. In Spanish, infinitives are only one word, and one group of infinitives end in AR, like hablar. To conjugate this verb, remove the infinitive ending. Remove the AR ending, and then add the proper endings to the stems, so that they agree with their corresponding subject pronouns. And this is the conjugation of the verb hablar in the preterite tense. Yo hablé. Tú hablaste. Usted, él, ella, habló. Nosotros hablamos. Ustedes hablaron. Ellos, ellas hablaron. Now, let's see some example sentences. Hablé con él ayer. Nosotros hablamos anoche. Ellos hablaron sobre nosotros. Remember that not all the verbs that end in AR follow this standard conjugation pattern, and they are called irregular verbs. The irregular verbs don't have a regular set of rules you can follow to conjugate them, so you just have to learn them by heart. Fortunately, there are just a few verbs of that kind, and we'll see each one of them in the upcoming videos. That's why I recommend you to subscribe to my channel to keep you updated with my latest lessons. The second group of Spanish infinitive verbs end in ER. And these are the endings we must use to conjugate these verbs in the preterite tense. Let's conjugate the verb to eat in Spanish. Comer. We conjugate this verb by dropping the infinitive ending, the ER ending, and then adding the proper endings to the stems, so that they agree with their corresponding subject pronouns. And this is the conjugation of the verb comer in the preterite tense. Yo comí. Tú comiste. Usted, él, ella comió. Nosotros comimos. Ustedes comieron. Ellos, ellas comieron. Now, Let's see some example sentences. Comí demasiado anoche. Ella comió solo verduras. Ayer comimos pizza. The third group of Spanish infinitive verbs end in IR. And these are the endings we must use to conjugate these verbs in the preterite tense. Let's conjugate the verb to live in Spanish. Vivir. To conjugate this verb, take off the infinitive ending, the IR ending, and then add the proper endings to the stems, so that they agree with the corresponding subject pronouns. And this is the conjugation of the verb vivir in the preterite tense. Yo viví. Tú viviste. Usted, él, ella vivió. Nosotros vivimos. Ustedes vivieron. Ellos, ellas vivieron. Now, let's see some example sentences. Ella vivió su vida al máximo. Vivimos juntos hace mucho tiempo. Ellos vivieron en Roma por varios años. Now, in this chart you can see the endings you must use to conjugate the three groups of Spanish regular verbs in the preterite tense. As you can see, in the preterite tense, regular, ER, and IR verbs use the same pattern of endings, which makes them easier to learn. Not too difficult, right? Keep practicing, and once you get this, you'll be constructing sentences in no time. That's all for now, and please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Gracias. Nos vemos en la próxima lección.